company once in a while, instead of sitting alone every day. And he likes playing cards, so we play rummy sometimes. And sometimes he sings too. He likes classical music, and sometimes he tells me about his days in the garden department, the BMC, about lily-bug infestations, borrowworms that attack trees, that sort of thing.
Eeks.
No, it's really quite interesting actually.
And he sings to you. That's romantic.
Actually, he's a horrible singer.
Papa sang. He sang well.
Oh, that was completely different. He had a beautiful voice.
He did. You always said you never loved the way you loved him.
That's still true, my darling.
इस बार नहीं काट रही हूँ पैसे, पर अगली बार मेरी पिक सलवार को अपनी मर्जी से मजेंटा बनाना, तो थप्पड़ मार के गाल लाल कर दूंगी।
और हम भी ना इतनी चोट का लपड़ लगाएंगे कि बहुत दर्द होगा।
बहुत डर। जाओ, अब कुछ बहादुरी का काम करो। पौधों को पानी दो। Enough of all this. Where are my gifts?
They're right here. I got you everything, Khala. Everything you asked for.
Last time you gave a better perfume to Usna mein.
Khala chose that, and then she's telling me, huh? You had picked that.
What is all this?
Here is your perfume. Here is your hair dye. The chocolates you asked for. And your most treasured item.
What's that?
See? Undergarments from London.
ये सब सामान अब यहाँ भी मिलता है।
Not as good as London.
अरे हमारा सामान भी बिल्कुल ठीक ठाक है।
वो ठीक ठाक। हमारे यहाँ stores में we have items made in Bhutan, made in Bangladesh, buyers popping out all the time. It feels more like a blouse. It just covers, doesn't give you any cleavage. But these balcony style bras, Appa, they give you such good support, pushes everything properly into place. Straight from the basement level to the third floor point. And you take all of it. And it's so well. Better perfume. Thanks.
Welcome, Khala. क्या हुआ अम्मी?
I keep getting this pain on the side.
कुछ
Can you get me some? Can you get me some ajwain ka pani?
Yeah.
Vinny's company was always better than going home alone and eating in my empty flat. You know, our life together had been full of silly jibes and jests, which even death and tragedies and creaking bones couldn't change. When I write duas in my book at night, I always pray for Vinny's long life far more than my own. Because if it wasn't for her, my life would have been an arid desert with no laughter-filled oasis.
I don't remember. Oh yes, at Rishikesh, at the hostel.
Swami, what was his name? Yogeshwar?
People say joking, huh?
And after that?
After that, but nothing as grand as this. Oh my God, the cake was super. I didn't know so many foods could grow on a cake.
Well, how many people are born on April Fool's Day?
Only me.
So we thought we'd get you something from our favorite bakery, Monty.
लेकिन ये गिफ्ट इस सब की क्या जरूरत होती?
अब आपको मोहम्मद रफी और मुकेश पसंद है, तो हमने सोचा इनसे बेहतर बर्थडे गिफ्ट क्या हो सकती है?
Okay, took unnecessary trouble.
You stopped taking fees from us a long time ago. So the least we could do is take some unnecessary trouble.
Thank you. when I'm near you. But it definitely hums. It hums contented. And I want to spend the rest of my life listening to that sound.
The time to follow our heart, Anandji, has long gone by. The only thing left for the poor thing to do now is slowly stop.
कब कहाँ से आएगा गरीबन? आजकल बेईमानी इतनी आम हो गई है कि उसे कोई बेईमानी ही नहीं समझता।
ठीक।
और हमारी किस्मत तो वैसे ही खराब। क्यों? क्यों मतलब आपको पता नहीं है? अरे हमारे गांव वाले बाबा ने हमें बताया कि बाबूराम तुम्हारे हाथ में तकदीर वाली लाइन ही नहीं है।
क्या बात कर रहे
हाँ, देखिए। और हम अपनी अम्मा को बताए तो हमारे ऊपर चिचियाने लगी। हाँ? कोई बचपन में चूरन चाटते समय तुम ही चाट गए होगे।
बुढ़ापा हमें चढ़ रहा है, सठिया तक तुम जा रहे हो। और गड़बड़ी तुम्हारी तकदीर में नहीं है, तुम्हारे सर में है।
भी हम कहें सर में बहुत जोर से दर्द रहा है।
ये देखो,
दिखाई क्या दिखा है? बताइए क्या बताना है? बोलिए क्या काटना है? अरे काट दे, हम पूरी किताब ही काटते हैं।
काटो अब।
हाँ, बताइए।
हाँ, यही वाला।
ये अंगूठी।
अंगूठी?
क्या कागज की अंगूठी पहनेंगी हाथ में? हैं? अरे असली अंगूठी खरीदी है तो आपके पास देखिए।
तुम
आपको
खरीदोगे?
पता है हम वो जो नेटफ्लिक्स वाली फिल्म के बारे में आपको बता रहे थे ना, उसमें उस औरत के हाथ में कई सारी अंगूठियां होती है जैसे आम के हाथ में। हाँ, और अपने नौकर से करती है दुर्व्यवहार। बताइए क्या काटना है?
बंद करो आप बाबूराम बीमारियों की बातें करना। ये लो पकड़ो।
क्या हुआ?
जरूर इसकी नजर लग गई।
हम देखे भी नहीं आपको।
Is it the cake?
I don't know. Didn't we have moong dal for lunch? I think like you, I also can't digest sprouts and oh. You have some पुदीना? पॉकेट में लेके घूमता है सब।
अरे पुरानी इमारतें हैं, जाने कब ढह जाएंगे। अब पानी जेब में रखेंगे सब गीला होकर बह नहीं जाएगा।
Anandji and I went back to our old routine. You know, something had changed. We had been so happy the way we were. Why? Why do people have to define a relationship and underline each word till the paper gives way beneath? No, actually, I'm not feeling very well. I think I'll go and rest. See you on Monday.
हाँ मैडम, किससे मिलना है? अरे कहाँ है? अरे धक्का क्या कर रही है? कौन है? घुसी चली आ रही है? क्या किससे मिलना है?
देखा? मैंने बोला मेरा पति यहाँ है। अब हट यहाँ से, नहीं तो चप्पल उतार के मारूंगी तुझे। निकल। तो ये बुढ़ी, ये साली बुढ़ी है तेरी योगा क्लास। क्या बोलता था मुझे? ज्योत्सना, I get late because I can't find auto. हाँ? शर्म नहीं आती तुझे? झूठ बोलता है मुझे? और तू, साली बुढ़ी, if you are so desperate to clean the carpets between your legs, then go. Stand on the road.
never want to see him again. How did all this happen? It was so undignified. What happened to my good sense? I used to pride myself on the fact that when I walk down the street, people look at me with respect. Salam, Noni Appa. I don't want the same people laughing at me and whispering behind my back for having an affair with a married man. No, Billy. He's a married man and he's younger than me. I've always prided myself on my spotless reputation. I don't want it getting tarnished at the very end of my life. Promise me you won't let him come here again. Promise.